Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I hope that you are having an amazing day. My day is pretty good because my Trendsend has arrived. Welcome to my channel, everyone. If you are new here, I sure hope that you will consider subscribing and joining me for a future video. My videos are all about clothing. So today I have a Trendsend, and this is a service offered by the clothing company Evereve, and you can shop Evereve online if you like. I don't have an Evereve store in my town, so I get my Evereve products through Trendsend. Trendsend is a style service. You will fill out a profile online and you'll be paired with a stylist who is going to curate a box for you based on your style preferences and price preferences and lifestyle. And they do such a wonderful job. The clothing offered through Trendsend is generally very high quality. The prices reflect that. This is not a cheap box. I'm pretty sure about that, but I do have a referral link. It's in the description box below, as well as all the information you need to get your own Trendsend. If you use my referral link, Trendsend offers me a 20% discount on my next box. But then you get a referral code to share with your friends, and you can get that 20% discount. So it's kind of a gift that just keeps on giving. Let's get into this Trendsend box. After opening, this is exactly what the box looks like. There is a $20 styling fee with every Trendsend that you get, and you can set this up to get it every month, or you can also get it on demand. So you could actually get as many Trendsend boxes as you like. Inside every box, they do include a USPS mailer to return anything that you don't want to keep. Postage is free both ways. There's also an envelope. In this envelope is a note from my stylist, and she has given me suggestions on how to wear the pieces that she sent, and there's also an invoice. In this box, I do have two bundles, but I also have one piece that fell out of the bundle. So we'll start with this first piece. Okay, the first piece is very interesting. This is by Allison Joy, and this is like a polyester blend. This is a very substantial fabric. It is not thin at all, almost like a ponte fabric. And this looks like a cross front top. I don't even know, is that a band? It is banded. And guys, it crosses in the back as well. Well, this is very interesting, and it's some beautiful colors. It's got black, white, purple, blue, pink. It is a little bit dark, but this is so unusual, and I appreciate unique and different. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. The prices are on each garment that you get from Trendsend. This one is $58. $58 for a very cute cross front tank. This is really cute. This is just a knit t-shirt. It is a burnout tank. This is by Peyton Jensen, and this is in a very pretty coral color. There are slits on the side. The back appears to be longer than the front. What's the price on this one? $48. Okay, this is going to have to make me look gorgeous to spend $48 on a sleeveless tank. Okay, next one is a gorgeous color. What is this? This is Z Supply, and I love my Z Supply t-shirts. This is a V-neck. Do we have a pocket? No pocket. But look at the color on this one. This is also a burnout, but this one is a little bit thicker fabric than the one I just showed you. So yeah, this is a rounded hemline. I am really drawn to the color on this one. Okay, next up we have, oh, these are pants. Oh my goodness, look at the bottom of these pants. These are a big wide leg pant. Who are you by? This is by Bobby, and these are $68. They do have that elastic smocked waistband. Do we have any pockets? No pockets. Oh, okay, these are like flyaway pants. Oh, let's see how these work. These are in like a chambray. They're very thin. They almost feel like a linen. And then we have that striped Okay, cross your fingers that these work. These look like so much fun. Wow. In the last bundle, we have some camo. Ooh, very cute. Okay, so I like this because it is a lighter print of camo. It's almost like a peach and olive and a little bit darker green on a white background. This is a crew neck, short sleeve, straight hem. Who is it? By Bobby. $58. You know I'm gonna look like Miss America in this one, right? The last piece in our box is a pair of denim. These are by Cut From The Cloth. I have so much luck with Cut From The Cloth. It's really hard to return a pair of cut jeans. These are the Reese ankle straight legs. So yeah, that's nice. Let's see the wash. There is a bit of distressing I see there. So yeah, I can't wear these when I'm with my mother. Yeah, distressing, but little whiskering on them, but it's not crazy. So yeah, I like these a lot. There's a 5-pocket styling, and let's see the hemline. The hemline is unfinished. Oh, look at that. That's a bit of a step hem there, which I also like. So yeah, okay. I am going to read my stylist note and I'll come back with the highlight. I have really mixed feelings about this Trendsend, so I could really use your help, your feedback on the pieces that I have tried today. Okay, let's talk first about these pants. I kind of like these pants. They surprised me. They felt very fun wearing them, and yet the way they are constructed, I don't expose my legs, too much of my legs, because my legs are not my strongest asset, but I did like the movement on these pants. These are $68, and my stylist suggested that I wear these either to the beach or on vacation. These feel very much like a vacation piece of clothing. Now, they are a little bit too long for me. I did wear about a 2.5-inch heel with these, a wedge with these, and I felt like they were still dragging the ground. The stylist suggested I wear these with Birkenstocks. These are far too long for Birkenstocks on a girl my height. I am 5'7", so if you are shorter than that, these would be dragging the ground unless you are wearing a very high platform shoe. Okay, I like these. They're $68. I honestly don't think I will wear them enough to justify the purchase. $68 for a pair of pants that really I might wear once on vacation, but they are so much fun. I would appreciate any thoughts that you have on these pants. Okay, next up is the coral tank. Love the color on this tank. This is by Peyton Jensen, $48. My stylist suggested that I tie it on the side or do a half tuck and wear it with the beach pants. This is a burnout, and truthfully, I'm kind of over burnout tees. I used to wear them so very much about 10 years ago. Are they coming back? Did they ever leave? I don't know. I would prefer a tank that is not see-through, that I don't have to wear a camisole or anything underneath it. And this is $48. I think that's way too much. I do like the Peyton Jensen brand, but not enough to pay almost $50 for just a simple tank like this. Next up is the Z Supply tee. This one is in the color Cabaret Pink. I like the name of that color, but yeah, this is just a very vibrant pink. This is also a burnout tee, but the fabric is a little bit heavier, so I don't feel like I would have to wear a cami underneath it. I really like the color on this one. I do like the V-neck. I like the rounded hem. I'm a big fan of Z Supply. I have a lot of them, and they wash and wear very well. In fact, I think they get better with age. So I am considering this piece. This is the least expensive thing in my entire Trendsend box. My $20 styling fee can be utilized by purchasing at least one piece. This may be the piece, not because I need another t-shirt, but because I want to use my styling fee, and I don't know if there's anything else in here that I can use it on. What do you think about this one? Is this a good way to use my styling fee? Next up is the Allison Joy tank. This is called the Naline tank. It's $58. I'm really not sure what to think about this one. This is a very nice fabric, nice quality. It feels like a polyester blend. The things I like about this tank, I appreciate that it is stitched on the front and back, so the cross front doesn't just fly open. I don't know how I feel about the band on the bottom. I mean, I guess it's okay. Maybe I wish it was longer. This one, I'm just not completely sold on. I would love to try it if it was less expensive. But that's one thing about Trendsend too. If I like something and I think the price is a little bit too high, I can let my stylist know and they will include those pieces when they go on sale. So I just don't know if I like this one enough to experiment with it. Okay, next up is the camo tee. The things I like about this tee, I love this lighter camo print, and I didn't notice when I unboxed it, it does have a little twist on it, and the twist is done on the side, which I prefer to right smack dab in the middle, so I like that. I wish this was a V-neck. I was a little bit bothered by the crew neck, and one of the reasons I think is this is 100% cotton, and it feels like that stiff cotton, not super soft cotton, which I would expect from a $58 t-shirt. I think this one is too expensive. Okay, I sound like a big cheapskate with this box. I don't know, that's my true feelings about this. I think it's cute. I wish it was a V-neck, but yeah, it's expensive. And the last piece that I tried are cut from the cloth. These are the Reese ankle skinny. I like these. These are $89. That is a typical price tag for cut from the cloth. I do have some cut from the cloth ankle jeans that I tend to wear a lot in the summertime. So when I saw these, they reminded me a little bit of them, but those are not distressed. But when I put these on, these remind me of my Articles of Society. Same ankle length, same distressing. And although I really like cut from the cloth, these are not difficult to send back because they are so very similar to what I already own. Trendsend does offer a 10% discount if you keep 4 or more items from your box. I am not going to do that. In fact, I'm debating whether or not to keep one piece, which would be this tee. It's $38. I've already spent $20 for another $18. I could get another Z Supply t-shirt to add to my collection. I will wait till I hear your feedback. Is there any piece in this box that you think I really need? I love the beach pants. I just don't know. I'm pretty sure I won't utilize them enough to make them cost efficient. You can make requests for your Trendsend boxes, and I normally always ask for sale pieces. I did not do that in this box. So I have been a little bit spoiled by stylists that always include sale pieces, and I didn't get not one piece on sale this time. So yeah, it might be a pink t-shirt. Thank you so much for joining me for another unboxing and try on of Trendsend. I have more boxes here and more fashions to share with you. So make sure that you're subscribed, tap that bell so you can be one of the first people to watch my videos. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? Thank you very much for stopping by. I'll see you next time. Blessings to you.